Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to start your freelancing journey and if you want to make money from home, so this video for you. In this video I will show you a live project where you can make money doing this kind of easy job. In this video I will show you step-by-step tutorials where you can get freelance job and how you can do this project for your buyer and client and how you can make money online. So if you are a student and if you are a beginner to start your freelancing journey, so this video would be your complete guideline. Anyone can start freelancing career in 2024 and it's completely free. You should learn a skill. That's mean a computer basic skill. So first of all, if you have a computer and good internet connection and if you know the basic search, so you can create a Upwork account. I am in my Upwork account. So it's a freelancing platform where you can buy and sell your services. So if you are a seller, you can sell your service and you can earn money. And if you are a buyer, if you are looking for some freelancers, so you can hire from here. Here you can see this is job landed posted 6 hours ago and worldwide. So this is the description. So I will read out for you and I will clear it and understand you that it's easy and you can do this. Okay, the title is prospect list for Instagram Australian clothing brands. Okay, so we have to find the Instagram page and based on the Australian and must be clothing brands, and the price is fixed 15 USD and experience level is intermediate. So don't worry, if you are a beginner you can do this project. Here you can see the skills and expertise, lead generation, list building, prospect leads. So if you don't know lead generation, list building, prospect list, don't worry, in this video I will show you everything. So when you get any job like this one, so you should understand the job prospect. That's mean the job requirements first. Okay, you have to understand that. If you don't understand clearly, maybe you can deliver the perfect project. Okay, so that's why you have to understand the project. And when you understand the project, make a sample, and the sample you should provide to this buyer. And how you can send a sample. So here you can see the top section, apply now. When your sample ready, just click on apply now and write down as you're experienced and as much as you can, and attach to your CV or any kind of skills that you have already, and attach also definitely the sample project. Okay, here you can see interviewing 5. That's mean buyer already interviewing 5 people but he didn't get anyone. Okay, so chances is 100%. Okay? Just you have to prepare yourself. Okay, so let's jump into how you can do this project. Okay, so here you can see the job requirements. I need offers on how many prospects Australian clothing brands you could get onto your list with. That's mean a buyer need Australian clothing brands Instagram and Instagram link, and if they run paid advertising, you have to check the number of followers they have on Instagram. Okay, so 3 things. That's mean Instagram link, they are running any paid advertising, yes or no, and they have any followers. That's mean the number of followers. Okay, so how many prospect we can collect, so we can give a try. That's mean we have to make a sample sheet and I will show you how you can find the Australian clothing brands definitely Instagram pages. Okay, so let's jump into it. So first step is we have to create a Google spreadsheet. So go to your Google apps, click on sheets and you will see a blank spreadsheet. So click on blank spreadsheet and give as it is the title name. That's mean prospect list for Instagram. All right, so here you can see the untitled spreadsheet, so you should input here. All right, and here you can see the 3 things. That's mean Instagram link, so it should be our first column, Instagram link, and the run paid advertising, that should be another column, and the followers, it should be number 3. All right, so our spreadsheet is ready. So let's search. That's mean we have to search on Google first. Okay, Australian clothing brands. All right, I searched here Australian clothing brands in Instagram, and here you can see the website and best Australian clothing brands on Instagram. All right, so let's open it, and also you will see lots of Instagram pages over there. So those are the Instagram pages definitely, and also we can search on directly on Instagram. So let's find the Instagram first. Alright, so how you can find Australian clothing brands? So definitely you have to search here. Alright, search on Instagram like hashtag clothing brand AU and you will see the Australia and also the Australia. So you will click on Australia. So here you can see the 1532 post over there. So how you can find the Instagram page? Okay, so here you can see those are the pages. They are from Australia definitely, and you will get lots of posts over there. And let's just open one of them and here see Oh Sweet Mods. It's a brand name, I think so. So let's open it. And you can see also you can find their Facebook, other thing. Just click on link in bio. Okay, so this is how we can find the Instagram. So let's copy the link address and just go back to your Google spreadsheet and paste it here. Also the followers, here you can see the followers. Pick the number followers, and they are running Facebook ads, yes or no. How we can find this? So that's why I just opened a link today, and here you can see they are in Facebook page. Okay, so open the Facebook page. So how you can find their Facebook ads, they are running or not? So let's click on the about section, click on the page transparency, and here you can see this page is not currently running ads. So let's open another one, Australian official page, Australian brand. So see wall, click on see wall, and here you can see go to ad library. So let's go to ad library and you will see the number of ads they are currently running. So it's really amazing. So it's gonna helpful for advertiser to promote their business and talk to them. Here you can see the number of ads, 110 results, launched January 2024 and January 3. Here you can see the active ads, all of them are active. Okay, so here you can see also the filter section. You will type only Instagram and let's update it, filter 1. Here you can see 110 results is showing that. That's mean the platform is Instagram, Messenger and the Facebook also. So these are the both platform, already you know that. So 110 results. Okay, so let's copy the number and go back to the sheet and paste it here. So this is how you can find the Instagram Australian clothing brands page, and you can collect their links, either they are running any Facebook ads or not. So you have to check through Facebook ad library, and also you can find their Instagram followers. So this is how you can collect this kind of information. So when you're done, just go to file section. You can download as it is Excel or HTML or CSV. So whatever your word needs, just click on that and it will automatically download it. Also you can share the link to your buyers. So how you can share these links? Click on shares, and here you can see restricted. Click on anyone with the link. Also you can select it as a viewer, copy the link and send it to your buyer and deliver the project and earn your money. So this is how you can start your freelancing. Okay, so this is how it's simple. So if you have any queries, please comment below. I will come back with another tutorials and it's gonna help you a lot, I think so. So if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will help me to create more and more videos. So no more today. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.